Imagine looking up at the night sky, only to realize the moon is gone. Not hidden behind clouds, but simply wiped out of existence. Most people would think, it's just 5 seconds, what's the worst that could happen? The answer is, cosmic chaos. Those 5 seconds would fundamentally reshape planet Earth, trigger global disasters, and prove just how fragile our survival is without our only natural satellite. Here is exactly what would happen the very second the moon disappeared. And the nightmare that would await us when it returns. The fastest and most terrifying reaction would happen in our oceans. The moon's gravity literally pulls the water toward itself, creating our tides. The moment the moon vanishes, that gravitational pull instantly drops to zero. Think of it like a tightly stretched rubber band suddenly snapping. Massive bodies of water in the world's oceans, which were bulging toward the moon, would instantly collapse and rush backward. Billions of tons of water would shift direction in a fraction of a second, triggering immediate, chaotic tsunamis along coastlines worldwide. Maritime traffic would be paralyzed, and ports would suffer catastrophic damage in less than 3 seconds. But water isn't the only thing the moon pulls. Its gravity actually stretches the Earth's crust itself. When that pressure disappears for 5 seconds, our planet's solid crust would abruptly snap back into its original shape. This instant release of tension would trigger a global seismic shock. Tectonic plates would violently shift, setting off a chain reaction of devastating earthquakes and activating underwater volcanoes. Even in regions where earthquakes are unheard of, the ground would begin to violently shake. While panic grips the ground, a new crisis unfolds in orbit. The moon plays a critical role in stabilizing the orbits of many artificial satellites launched by humanity. Without the moon's gravitational balance, hundreds of communication and GPS satellites would instantly veer off course. Global GPS systems would go dark, television and internet signals would start to fail, and the International Space Station would have to perform emergency maneuvers to avoid losing altitude entirely. And just when the world thinks the worst is over, 5 seconds pass, and the moon magically reappears. But this doesn't fix the problem, it escalates it. The moment the moon snaps back, its massive gravity grips the Earth once again. The water that had spent seconds rushing chaotically is now violently jerked back by an immense force. This sudden whiplash would create mega tsunamis, hundreds of feet high, wiping out coastal cities across the globe. Earth's axis would even experience a micro-shift, permanently altering climate zones and the length of our days. Those 5 seconds would leave scars that would take humanity decades to heal, pushing civilization to the brink of collapse. Fortunately, the moon has been locked in our orbit for billions of years. The next time you look up at the night sky, don't take it for granted, it is our most vital guardian in the dark void of space. Do you think humanity could actually survive a 5-second cosmic shock like this? Let me know in the comments below, drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-bending space stories. See you in the next video.